So gagawa tayo ng video regarding dito sa Claude Notepin. So words, most wearable AI voice recorder. So ito yung babasahin ko. So medyo mahaba-haba para sa summarize niya. So ito siya. So ididikit ko lang siya. Okay. So try na natin. So i-add ko lang siya dito. Tapos mag-record na ako. Okay? Ricky P. De Los Santos, aka Rickman, a humble human being willing to be trained and to be go work hard. Knowledge is power. So mga affiliates, founder and CEO of Elemento Art of Magic, member of Inner Magic Club, owner of Rickman Magic Show, and owner of DJ Rickman Sounds and Lights. Educational background: graduate of AB Psychology, graduate of Mechanical Technology, and graduate of Reflexology. Teaches at Don Bosco, Alabang, Birthright School, and Manpower San Pedro. Set of skills: specialize of computer, both iOS and Windows, software and hardware, photo editing, music editing, video editing, repairs and programming, program and calibration of digital audio mixer and analog, programming of digital light controller, like moving heads, installation of CCTV, PoE or analog, installation of solar panels and computation, can spin music and musical scoring, programming, TV shows and guesting. Sa Magic Show, Raisa May Show at GMA 7, Wow Mali TV5, Moments Net 25, Nickelodeon Channel, Wowawin TV5, Talentadong Pinoy TV5. In-house venue, resto bar and schools. Enchanted Kingdom since 2005 till now. Fun Ranch Westgate Alabang, Active Fun, Arquis Diner, Villa Dolores Resort, Jardín de Catrina Resort, Rosemont Parep Ayala Alabang, La Consolacion Binyang, Laguna, San Antonio Elementary School, and Canosa School Santa Rosa. Sounds and light setup achievements: Arquis Diner, United Christian Church of the Philippines, San Pedro Laguna Branch, 812 Bar and Lounge, Pillar Foundation Christian Church, Jardín de Catrina Resort, Rosemont Ayala Alabang, San Antonio Elementary School, Can Asia Philippines, Tagpuan Resto Bar sa San Pedro Laguna boundary, Hapag Food Park. Okay, and that's all. So let's stop and save. And let's see, ito na yung ating summary. So ang summary ay notes. Generating na yan. So hindi na natin kailangan magsulat. So ito na mismo ang magsusulat sa atin. So ito siya. Ricky P. De Los Santos, aka Rickman, a humble human being willing to be trained. So nakasulat na siya. Yan, set of skills. So knowledge is power. So mga affiliates, founder and CEO of Elemento Art of Magic, member of Inner Magic Club, owner of Rickman Magic Show, and owner of DJ Rickman Sounds and Lights. Educational
Ang
background.
galing.
Graduate of AB Psychology, graduate of Mechanical Technology, and graduate of Reflexology.
Galing. May
Teaches
outline.
at Don Bosco,
Nandito na yung
Alabang,
transcript.
Birthright School, and Manpower San Pedro.
Ayun ang notes niya.
Set
Ayan.
of skills. Specialize of computer,
So,
both
ayan,
iOS and
multidisciplinary entertainment and tech.
Windows,
Ayan, portfolio.
software and hardware,
Magic
photo
Digital.
editing, music editing, video editing,
Ayan. So,
repairs and
capability.
programming, program
Ang
and
galing.
calibration
Meron ng
of
business
digital,
brand and ownership,
audio,
technical
vector,
setup
and analog,
skills.
programming of digital light
Wow.
controller, like moving heads, installation of CCTV,
Ang ganda.
PoE or analog, installation
Okay, so ito ang ating ano. So ito pala 'yon kung pwede ko siya yung i-play.
Ricky P. De Los
Ayan
Santos,
siya, oh.
Reflexology.
So ito na yung ano natin, summarize. Tapos ito na rin yung ating ano notes. Ayan, summary na. Ito na yung summarize na. May core sa hypnosis, ayos. May ano na siya, technical skill. Okay, so ito na lang. That's all, folks. So, alam na po natin kung paano gamitin si Load Notepad.